So this is a tutorial to add the CBCT DICOM file zip to your patient so you can use the DICOM viewer. First, we go to the menu, hit New Patient, go to Patient Digitalization, scroll down to Diagnostics where it says CBCT DICOM. And then here we can choose your drive of choice. If you don't see it here, you can press iCloud. And here you'll get the option to go ahead and choose the drive of your choice that's installed on your iPad. In my case, I'm going to choose Dropbox, and I'm going to go ahead and go to where my zip file is. Here you can see it says cbct.zip. I press here, wait for it to download, and it'll automatically be added to my patient digitalization. If it's recognized as a DICOM file, you'll see this icon below. And once you see this icon, you know that it's already uploading and starting to do the process to be able to see it in the viewer. Add the rest of your files, and we'll go ahead and show you the CBCT Viewer. Once you've added the files and calibrated, you'll see an icon that says CBCT. After tapping it, you can go ahead and open the CBCT Viewer. Once it's loaded this view, if I wanted to see the 3D and other views, I push over on the menu until I see 3D visualization button right here in the middle. Press it, and it will go ahead and load the 4 views. Once we have our 4 views, if we want to clean up our 3D view of the DICOM file, we'd have to come over here in the top left and tap until we see the half sun button right here on the left. We'll tap on the screen with a 3D and pull up or down until we don't see any more of her skin, muscles, or tissue. And once we let go, we can check. If we want to rotate again, we use the button on the right, come to the rotation, which is this box with the arrow under it, and we can go ahead and check the CBCT 3D view in any which shape we want. If we want to check different layers or slices of the CBCT, we have to press this stacked box right here, which is selected in white, and you'll see the arrows on either side. They'll go ahead and tell you which layer you're at. So if I want to start from the top, I can drag down slowly and let it load, of course, and you'll be able to see any part of the CBCT that you so choose. You can even choose sections that you want to see and slowly scroll through them. Once it's loaded, it'll go ahead and do smooth transitions between them. Once you're done, go ahead and hit the close, and you'll have full access to your patient again.